Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the flower vase. So let's get begin. First I draw the curved line to make the vase. Now I draw the upper lines. Now friends, let's make 3 different flowers together. I make first flower here. Then I make second flower. Lastly, I make the third flower to complete the vase. Now friends, let's come and color the flower vase together. I colored the vase with brown. I love flowers a lot. Do you? Now let's come and color the stem and leaves of flower together. I color them with green. I color the leaves with dark green. Now color the flower. I color the flower with orange and pink. Now for the second flower, I color the flower with yellow and orange.
I had a little nut tree, nothing would it bear.
Lastly, I colored the third flower with purple and light blue.
And a golden pear.
Awesome! Now for the swirl, I color with red.
The king of Spain's daughter came to visit.
Amazing! The flower vase is ready. If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.